Yes. Check your SQL Server. Basically, remember, like SQL Server is one of a RDBMS product developed by Microsoft, right? So we have so many RDBMS products are there in the market, right? Like Oracle, Sybase, DB2, okay, PostgreSQL, MySQL. So many RDBMS products are there in the markets here, okay? But SQL Server is also one of a powerful RDBMS product. Most of the clients are using here today SQL Server, including banks. Okay, so any finance organizations also they are going with SQL servers here today. Okay, yes, yes. Okay, check it like. Why? Because so SQL Server cost is very less here as compared with other RDBMS products, especially Oracle. SQL Server cost is very less. Means almost all 1/4 of Oracle. 1/4 of Oracle here. SQL Server cost is almost all 1/4 of Oracle. That is the reasons here like most of the clients are preferring SQL Server today here. Cost is very less. And whatever the hardware we need, how much capacity servers, like how much RAM server, how many CPUs, how much memory server, whatever the capacity we need, that server's capacity is also very less. Means what? No need of very high-end servers like 256 GB RAM, 1 TB RAM. Very high-end servers are not required here. With less configuration servers also, we can maintain SQL Server with low configurations also. That is the reason here like most of the clients are preferring here SQL Server. Here SQL Server is a RDBMS product, okay, developed by Microsoft. Okay, what we can do with SQL servers here? We can create and manage databases here. Okay, database creation and database maintenance is our regular job. Okay, database creation and maintenance is our regular job. Means in general, remember, like maintenance is our regular job. Creation we are not doing very frequently. So our developers team will create the databases here. Okay, our job is what? Maintenance. That's why, like, with the SQL Server, we have seen, like one is a database creation and maintenance is our regular activity, as well as your SQL Server supports here like BI features also, powerful business intelligence features with SSIS, SSRS, SSAS. These are called here BI, business intelligence features of SQL Server. Means what? We have like BI features are there basically to maintain the data warehouse. To maintain the data warehouse, remember, we have BI features, business intelligence features with IS, RS, EAS. Okay, SQL Server integration services, SQL Server reporting services, SQL Server analysis services. Okay, so these are like different BI features are there. That's remember like we have seen just now to connect and work with SQL Server. We are using one tool called what? Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Check it. Whenever we are connecting, it is asking very clearly to which server you want to connect. See here, database engine. Remember, regularly as a DBA, we are working with what? Database engine or database servers here as a DBA. Okay, then we have other servers are there: analysis services, reporting services, integration services. Like this here, various servers are there here. Okay, various other services are there. But just remember, as a core DBA, as a core DBA, we are working regularly with our database engine only. 95% here as a core DBA, we are working with database engine. Okay, but our MSBI team is there. They will work with this AS, RS, IS. Okay, yes. But sometimes while migrating from lower version to higher version, sometimes we can use this integration services also here sometimes, but not regular one. Right. So these are like yeah. So what are the like four servers are there? Means as part of SQL Server, we have to understand that our SQL Server is a collection of four servers. One is database server, IS, RS, AS. Clear, right? Yes, yes. Okay. So in general, say like we have seen like every RDBMS similar to Oracle or Sybase, remember, or SQL Server supports here. One is here SQL, which is a non-procedural language. Non-procedural language where we have SQL commands, right? Select, update, delete, some commands are there. As well as here, second one is there procedural language is there, programming language is there, where we are calling it as T-SQLs here, transact structured query language. T-SQLs here, transact structured query language here. Okay, SQL is it, which is a non-procedural language, whereas T-SQL is a transact structured query language here, which is for programming purpose. This is basically for what? Programming. Actually, remember, we are not writing the programs. Our developers will write the programs here, T-SQL programs. Okay, we are not writing the programs. Right, but we should have this SQL knowledge is required for us. Means what is table, how to work with insert, update, delete. That commands just knowledge is required for us. Okay, what is primary key, what is foreign key, what is index, what is stored procedure. Some basics knowledge is required. So I will share you like 3 to 4 hours videos on SQL basics. You can go through that videos just. Actually, remember in real time, we are not working with insert, update, delete commands actually. So it is done by our users actually, right? So, but we should have some basic knowledge. Sometimes, let's say, they will provide us scripts actually, deploy this script, or our application team will send us some scripts actually to run these scripts in the database. Why? Because anything happen in the database, that is our responsibility. That's why remember, no one will work directly with our database. Anything yeah, changes, anything should be applied, or a new table, new column should be created. Anything should be done through us only. Why? Because we are the database owners. Okay, so those scripts, while running the script, if any mistakes are there, just to verify that mistakes, actually that if mistake is there, we can send the request back to the developer, there is a mistake. But just to understand what is this script, at least we need some basic knowledge is required for us. Okay, so complete knowledge is not required for us. What are the authentications we can use? So authentications, we can use Windows authentication, mixed mode. In general, in general, depends on the requirement. Okay, we'll use the authentication modes. So for development test servers, UIT compulsory will go with Windows authentication. But so for some production servers, remember, we have to go with Windows plus mixed mode. Okay. Yes. Right, right. Actually, we have some documents are there. I will try to show you in the next classes. Means what? Whenever you want to build some new server, whenever the user is asking, I want Windows authentication or mixed mode, we need so many approvals we have to take actually. Okay, we can't change directly. Some processes are there. We'll see. Let's say we'll conclude the session. Just I have shown you here what are our major responsibilities are there. Maybe some points maybe you have not understood. No need to worry. Just we have to understand our job is maintenance. First point. Okay. Yeah. Here there is no programming. Remember, we don't have regular work also. Today I think we got 10 tickets almost all. We have 3 members team is there actually. So 10 tickets means three tickets, nothing's here within 8 hours time, right? Yeah, that's remember like depends on the number of clients. I can't say like this, but depends on the number of clients actually. Okay, who are there with our company. Right, right. Okay, let's see. We have started with SQL Server. Let's see. We'll continue again. We'll conclude the session here. I will share you the recorded video after some time. So once we register, they will share you the materials, everything. Okay, step by step material and notes also what I am showing. Okay, they will already have said daily recordings I will provide you. Soft copy material also I will provide you. Notes plus I will provide you FAQ scenarios also. And most of the scenarios I will try to discuss all the concepts practically. We'll see clustering, always on, performance tuning, everything. And anyhow, I'm working as a senior DBA here in one of your organization. Actually, I was working from home till last yeah September. Sorry, October. But now I came to here to UAE at client location to work here. Maybe I will work for 3 months here, then I will back to home to India. Again, I will work there 3 to 6 months, work from home. Right, right. That's why most of the troubleshooting steps, what are the common tickets, what are the common issues are there, I will try to discuss in detail. No need to worry. Okay, right. Right then, thank you very much for joining the class. We'll continue again tomorrow.